Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I'm going to turn this into this. So all I did was take two ellipses. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, basically get a new shape. I can actually move it. Normally I like to nudge stuff out of the way. But then I'm going to take this shape and I'm going to left click, right click. We need to get another shape that'll rotate so if you see these are different items and nothing's on top, there's not any of them blocking out from the other side. So we're going to Control D and duplicate it. And then you need to pick a number you're going to rotate. We're going to rotate 20 degrees. This is our shape we want. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in and nudge that out of the way. Now I can delete these. I can nudge these back and I can left click, right click. I am going to take the 3-point line, 3-point curve line, and go from that node to that midpoint and then curve it. Doesn't really matter as long as you think you're kind of in the middle. We're going to take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in and that in. And then just kind of play with it. We're going to select the outside one first. We're going to get the interactive fill tool, and I'm actually going to come down and then give it some orange. I kind of like that. Now I'm going to take the inside one and go outwardly and give it, or go inwardly and give it some orange. And then I don't quite like that, but you can play around with it. I want kind of that column. It looks like a separation of the two items, but you can do whatever you want to with it. Now, go up here and right-click your mouse, no outline. Group this together, Control G. Control D and make a duplicate. Double-click it into rotation. It's always easy to snap to a node there. And remember, we rotated it 20 degrees. So now we're just going to Control D all the way around. And you have that. That one looks pretty identical to the one I just made, maybe a little bit lighter on the outside. But if we bring in a black box, it makes it really pop. And see, it's almost like you can see a line, but well, there is a line between them because they're two different colors. But you could, this would be a good flower to clone, and then you could change to see if what I call, and I'm not going to do it on this video, in real time, what it would look like as it's rotated around. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.